Welcome to JGA, a sawmill in the south of Sweden, Småland. It's a family-owned sawmill and has been so since 1928. It was my grandfather's father who started it, and the area is about 34 acres. In the south of the site there is a small village for about 500 people living. In the other directions to north, west and east it's only forest, so we have not so much problem with the noise, which can be a huge problem for sawmills. We are about 100 employees. We're working daytime and in the evening. At nighttime we have some maintenance going on. At the moment we're producing about 250,000 cubic meters each year. And most of it is spruce. At the moment we're producing pine. And the main part of it is plane, about 70%. The production consists of a sawmill, sorting station and a planer. The sawmill has two lines, saw lines. One line is for the normal timber, which takes timber from 22 centimeters in the top up to like 50 centimeters, and the other line takes the smaller logs that is like 22 and down to 10 centimeters in the top. After it's been sawn, the wood goes to our kiln, and after that goes to the sorting station. In the sorting station we sort each. So from the sorting station there only comes out a package which consists of the same length and quality. It's like 4 weeks you're not allowed to.
Really,
we have 4 weeks holidays here,
Yes.
and repair everything.
And to
midsummer.
Yeah. And to ensure to have production when we get back from holidays, we have this timber stock, which is water spray, so we can start as soon as possible after the holidays.
And that wood behaves quite differently to any other wood when you dry it, in many aspects. So it's the first weeks after starting sawing are quite different to normal.
I don't like it. It's difficult to moisture. Some pieces is 70-80 and some pieces is 25-30, because the cells in the woods sluts, so water can't go out.
The pores close. And because they are starting to dry, the wetting is not perfect. Some of the wood is starting to dry, some of it is getting starts of bacteria.
One of the byproducts is the chips which came out from the sawmill line. All of that chips goes through the paper industry. About 13 to 20 trucks comes here and pick up the chips and delivers to the paper plants each day. We have 10 forklifts working here, both shifts, morning and evening. Each day there is more than 50 trucks delivering logs to this site, and on the opposite side there is about 30 to 40 trucks delivering goods to the shops. We're exporting about 60% of our production. The main part is to Holland, Belgium, England, some in Denmark, the northern parts of Africa, and some on China. And the rest is on the Swedish market, of course, and it's mainly to the grocery stores. The boiler is used for bringing up the heat to our kilns. It's a boiler which has a power of 9.5 megawatts. We use all of that by ourselves now. Previously, we delivered the heat through the village here. We don't do it anymore because we need all that energy ourselves. kilns dry down the wood down to 18 to 20% of humidity. When it comes in to the kiln, it is approximately 30 to 40% of humidity in it.